All right, new arrival. One of the most unique 993 twin turbos I've ever seen. This is a one-of-one spec, 1997 993 twin turbo. Originally from Europe, came over to the United States a couple years ago. Only 2 owners since new. Black metallic, no sunroof. Very interesting build. 993s usually were ordered, just standard options, nothing crazy. Being around these cars since new, there's only been a handful of 993s I've seen very special ordered with unusual options. Again, it was just common just to order whatever was on the, on the options list or take what was in inventory at the time. So for somebody to sit down and actually build this car, it is an incredible build. So again, no sunroof, but check out this interior. This is leather to sample, can red. Let me go wide angle here. Unbelievable. Full leather, sport seats, leather trimmed floor mats, carbon fiber steering wheel, leather to sample, e-brake and shifter. You get the little Porsche logo embossed in the back here on these special wishes cars. Only 70,000 kilometers. Aluminum face gauges with chrome trim rings, which is again very rare. Again, full leather inside. It still smells brand new in this car. And this particular build has a feature that you never see. This is a WLS1 X50 turbo kit package car. Only 313 cars were built overseas with this kit, so you get larger turbos and a additional oil cooler. But this car was also specially built with a big 92-liter gas tank. I mean, if you're gonna have that additional power, you wanna make sure you got the fuel to carry you on your adventures, because the only thing you're not passing on the highway are gas stations. So big tank here, you can see how this protrudes out here. I got excellent documentation, COA, 2 sets of keys, the books, an extra set of mats with the NOS can carpeting there. Just an incredible car. Again, all original paint and great documentation, only 2 owners since new. It is by far one of the most unique 993s I've ever seen. 1997 993 twin turbo, WLS1 X50 turbo package, no sunroof, sunroof delete, can red, special ordered leather interior. Just an incredible car.